INFICON is leading semiconductor manufacturing's utilization of integrated smart solutions. INFICON provides the most comprehensive and advanced intelligent manufacturing systems for the electronics manufacturing industry. Our FPS and FabGuard product lines are proven to increase capital productivity, labor efficiency, and overall factory efficiency by presenting critical information, automating complex decision-making, and delivering industry-leading execution capability, all in real time. In the factory, INFICON provides smart operations management and control with digital twin-based factory scheduling and integrated process control solutions with FabGuard FDC. NextMove optimizes WIP movement and provides integration with material management systems to enable compliance with the factory scheduler. Team Optimizer enables factory and shift managers to optimally assign staff to best meet the needs of the factory today and predict future headcount needs. INFICON uses the Maintenance Optimizer to further coordinate maintenance activities with the factory scheduler and can integrate with FabRecover to provide step-by-step dynamic guidance and troubleshooting. Both applications increase uptime and the efficiency of maintenance activities. FabGuard Facilities Monitoring System and Integrated HMI provides integration of facilities and subfab components with process information. INFICON makes it possible to manage and control subfab facilities for greener factory operations. Expanding on process control solutions, Fab Control provides tools to easily develop, deploy, and manage process control strategies across the factory. While the Metrology Sampling Optimizer uses real-time data and factory conditions to determine which lots to measure for optimal tool and product coverage. Completing INFICON's core predictive applications are its visualization, analysis, and reporting suite. The factory dashboard is the window to the digital twin of the factory. It provides an overview of factory operations and access to other applications such as historical performance, which allows fast visualization of the most critical factory performance metrics over time. Cycle time analysis products that highlight the factors that impact cycle time and include a full breakdown of factory cycle time into its core components. And finally, the capacity analyzer that creates estimates of tool utilization for given starts profiles using precise factory data and advanced algorithms. Our applications make smart manufacturing of the future possible today. Visit ims.inficon.com to learn more, or contact us at reachus@inficon.com.